Enjoy blooms from your garden year-round by creating botanical prints with a technique called flower pounding. To make sure the color pigments from the flowers are fully absorbed, begin by preparing your all-natural fiber by adding laundry detergent, washing soda into warm water. Stir and combine. Add your fiber one by one, taking out any air bubbles that might occur, and let it soak for 5 minutes. Hand wash your fabric and rinse until the water runs clean. Next, prepare your mordant mixture, which helps bind the color pigments to your fiber. Add 2 teaspoons of alum to a gallon of hot water. Squeeze out excess water from the previous mixture and add it to your mordant mixture. Let it soak for 2 hours. In a separate container, dissolve washing soda in a half cup of hot water and add it to the mordant solution. Let this soak for 8 more hours. When finished soaking, wring out the fabric and allow it to dry naturally. Iron to create a smooth surface. To create your design, place the fiber on a hard surface. Here we inserted a board to prevent pigment from bleeding through to the other side. Arrange your flowers face down onto the fiber. Separate phlox blooms. Stems make a great handle. Pull apart marigold petals. Fine-tune your design. Cover your design with a barrier cloth, such as an old pillowcase. Pound softly from the outer edges, working towards the center. Peel back and check your progress and adjust if necessary. Pull back the barrier cloth and let the print dry a few minutes before peeling off the plant material. Tweezers work great. Heat set the flower print by laying a sheet of paper over the design and iron on a low setting. Be sure to check out our online tutorial. See the link below. Thanks for watching.